If that pulled up outside your house, you'd think, oh no, a drug dealer is here.
Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. You read about it, I'm today's trying to top it.
Welcome back to the channel, Jordan.
Hello, hello, hello.
What have you brought back to the channel?
So, I bought my Audi A7, 3.0 TFSI V6, supercharged.
That's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's
Same engine in the S5, S4s. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and the A7 TFSI. So, since I've last came on the channel, I've done a little bit of mods. You might not notice it, like when you're looking at it, because it's still, I haven't done any splitters or any bumper changes. I've just done subtle changes on, for example, the wheels. Yeah, tuned it now, finally.
MRC Tune.
Yeah, MRC Tune. Do you know what? I was supposed to go to somewhere else beforehand, and they cancelled on us just when COVID hit. And yeah, Matty called me, and he gave me a wake up call. He was like, do you know what? Just go somewhere else. And I thought, do you know what? Let me just go the full way, pay the full money, make sure I'm getting what my money's worth. Getting my money's worth. So.
ooh, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it.
My exhaust setup has been, had a Backbox Elite. That's the only thing I had at the time. Now I've taken up the 2 resonators in the center. So I've still got a mid box, so I can still pass MOT. I've still got my cats, no decat. So Backbox delete and resonator delete. That's the only things I've done to my car. Let me just do something different. So I was looking around at exhaust. I was thinking maybe a Porsche, Macan or something like. I wanted something nice and slanted. And then I thought, you know what? Let me go the whole way through and just get the Lamborghini Hurricane tips. And I got Audi S7 diffuser on there. Yeah, I've done that nice dark. I've got that nice dark sound, but not too raspy, because I don't know if some of you guys know about these A7s, these 3.0 TFSIs. They sound really raspy when you straight pipe them, or if you take too many boxes out. So just keep on playing with it and finding the best sort of tone that you want. And yeah.
A little pull, bro.
All right, let's do this.
S4, yeah.
Oh no. Not manual mode.
Yeah. Oh, you're not manual.
2, 1.
You're flying.
Shit.
Bro, it's quick, innit?
Bro,
it's quick, man.
It's very quick.
But you know what, like what I was saying as well when we were talking on PS4,
yeah?
Because it's so well built, yeah, you don't get that like sense of like
no, yeah.
You know what I mean? It's very stable
like,
in here, which is
it doesn't slam you back.
Yeah, like it's wavy. Obviously, because you're running like 400 torque, right? Foot-pounds. Foot-pounds, because I think we did the calculation, innit?
Yeah, I think it's something like 450 or something. Or
what, foot-pounds?
I think it is.
You sure?
The calculation, foot-pounds is not far off.
Yeah, I thought you said it was like 399 or something. Didn't you calculate it?
No, yeah.
Listen, obviously, I think Doug said the crank pulley will bring up torque, innit?
Yeah.
So, but they did their magic still. What was Doug saying? He was like, you maximised a stage 1 basically.
Maximised all I could do on a stage 1 really. Because I had supported mods.
Yeah. Minus the cat, if you and the crank pulley, you would have been stage 2, right?
Yeah.
And even then, you would have only been 480.
Yeah, 480.
BHP,
yeah.
Around there.
Yeah.
But the torque would have been higher.
Yeah. Do you know? Yeah, I've seen some people in America that do the crank pulley change, and they're definitely like past 500.
Yeah, they're flying. Yeah.
Yeah, but
jeez. But it's enough for you now, isn't it?
Yeah. Like, well, this is my first ever 3-litre car, so. I had a 1.6 before this, so this is what I'm saying. Like, it's
but you had the car for a while, though, innit?
Yeah, I had this car for a year, but do you know what I mean? Like with a tune, it's the first time. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
never felt this power. I don't drive like other people's cars or fast cars, so this is the new sensation for me. Do you know what I mean? New sensation.
Yeah, man. But no, it does bits. I guess we can say it's faster than my car at the moment.
This guy is so a little pull, yeah. Bro, like, it's crazy, man.
Bro, you know when they map the gearbox, this is the thing they don't know. But when I used to hear your car when it was stock, like we were saying on the day when you got it mapped, that
Yeah.
And now it kind of sounds like it leans onto the other gear, like
yeah,
you know,
like it's already there.
Yeah.
Like there's not a transition, like a slower transition.
Yeah, like you know, it's like it's not quite as fast as the newer like DSGs.
Yeah, like Golfs.
Yeah,
and stuff,
yeah, like,
boom,
yeah.
boom.
Those transmissions are like boom, boom.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's still like fast. Like it just sounds a lot different.
Yeah.
I remember every time you go through tunnels, you used to shift.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
But now, yeah, you're shifting, man.
Yeah.
Sick.
It's because I don't have pop and bang, so
yeah.
that's my pop and bang for me, innit? That's what I can contribute to the
proper bang
crew,
next though.
Yeah.
But after the decat.
Oh no.
So I'm not too sure, you know, to be honest. Maybe a splitter kit, the aesthetics. I want to get the starlights done. I know some people might not like it, but I think I need something a bit more refreshing in the interior. Maybe change the pulley wheel, maybe an APR.
Bust down, she busted open for a real day. Stay timmied up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them.
Very quickly, bro. very quickly, like because of the four-wheel drive system. That's mad.
That was manual mode as well.
It was a manual, yeah.
That was manual, yeah.
I know you don't like driving a manual.
I don't really like it. I feel like it's not as fast.
Bro, you know what it is with my Beamer? I shift it, man. Does your car, will it shift when it gets to red line, or will it just...
Yeah, it shifts. Mine shifts to red line, so that's why I usually just leave it on sport mode. I
whack it in manual and then I let it shift itself. So I'll rev it all the way out and let it shift. Because I know that my reaction time could be terrible.
Yeah.
And
I think mine kind of hangs though.
Does it? Oh, would it bounce off the limiter?
Yeah. I think I have to click it. I think when it waits for a bit to see if I click it, and then I don't, it goes. So it's delayed. Like if I'm racing someone, it won't shift. It will like, and then it'll go.
Bro, you got quattro, man. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, bro. But yeah, this is literally just how I remember. I'm thinking about back when we did our first review,
yeah.
And like, I remember talking about how this car's like bare nimble, you know, for being a big car. Like,
it is.
How much does it weigh? Do you remember?
I think it's like 2 point something.
Bro, for being a heavy car, like it moves.
Bro, it's heavy. It is heavy.
It moves, bro. Bro, you were squirming there.
That's because I had one hand on the wheel, bro.
Okay, yeah, but bro, you're forward drive. You should be.
Oh yeah.
That's how much power you got right now, isn't it? Because you're on
Continentals, Contact, Silent Sports.
Yeah.
Neela was bombing it down that town.
Yeah.
Neela, you're a mad man, you know. I don't care. I don't know how you did this.
She's a real driver, you know.
I don't know how you did that.
Bro, she impressed me, fam. I'm not gonna lie.
This is the bit in it where she did that mad corner.
Oh yeah.
And you went.
Yeah.
Nah.
Bro, she does
that's
bits.
Mad.
She does bits, fam. Like. Let's go, champ.
Slap it on sport. Gotta slap it on sport.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, but it was proper flat though, bro. It was proper flat though. Like that was good. Yeah. That was good. That was a good little pull, bro.
Yeah.
Because usually, in my BM, I would have let up a little bit there.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Quattro.
Yeah.
Quattro.
I would have been like, cool. Like, let me just ease off it. But nah, you can go straight through that.
Yeah. When you're on Quattro now, it's a different story. Like, you have a bit more confidence on keeping the foot down.
With it. Yeah. Team is strong. The team is strong, bro. Your thing is quick.
What are you saying? You wanna have a go?
Yeah. Straight, bro.
I said, yeah.
Yeah, because it's so well built. You're like, okay, yeah, hold on.
Oh my days. Oh my god. Do you know what? Yeah, guys, I'm scared, fam. I'm scared in my own car, fam.
Do you know what? Yeah, but the thing is, I do scare people in their cars, bro. Like,
do you know what? Yeah, it's just like first time. It's mats. It's been 5 days. Yeah, so give me some leeway here, guys.
I'm laughing bare, you know. I'm fucking loving this, man.
I just got the car clean today.
Yeah, I know.
So like,
bro, I'm
thinking, nah, do it, man. Go for it, man.
Oh, the shifts though. The downshifts are nice, man. Let's hang back a bit. Ooh, bro, it's shifting nice, you know. Don't worry, bro. It's in grips,
Yeah!
bro.
Hey, yo.
Don't worry, bro. You won't know what your car does until.
Do you know what, yeah? Oh my days.
You don't know what your car does, bro.
That is sick, that is sick.
It's nice, isn't it?
Wow.
Your car is nice. Like, whew, it's nice, man. Woo! Yo, them shifts.
That V6.
Them shifts. Nah, but it's just so responsive, innit? Like, I'm in manual all the time. Like,
This is manual, yeah.
Cool.
So you see what I mean? It doesn't change for you.
Yeah. I like that.
You've got to like change it. Yeah, remember
like
to
that.
change.
I like that. Oh, there's the old Supra behind us.
Oh
So
shit.
it's Mark III Supra. Bro, this car is mad. It's a lot different than what I remember, innit?
Really?
Like, yeah, like. Yeah, this is mad. This is mad. This is mad. You see them shifts though?
Shitty what?
Yeah.
Hey.
Your car's mad.
What's the brakes like?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
It's
Like,
a bit squishy though, isn't it?
a little bit squishy.
Squishy,
but
yeah.
they're not that bad. Like, I think if you got
Disc. I need to change discs to
Oh, is it?
slotted and drilled.
Oh, okay.
I need to do that.
You could do that, but you could also there's a little trick here. What you do is upgrade the brake lines.
Okay.
It's like a little trick.
What is it? Thicker brake lines. So
Metal braided. So
Oh,
then they're
metal
like
braided,
the fluid like pumps it easier, innit?
okay.
It's just easier. Oh, it tells you when to shift on it. Bro, you know how yeah. Bro, do you hear the supercharger whine though?
It proper like goes, man.
Do you hear the supercharger whine, fam?
This is what I love about the car, man. It's the whine. It's the whine. I don't care about turbo. Oh my god.
Your car's quick. Your car's quick. Yeah, the shifted and everything, bro.
Like I like turbos, but I just love the whine, man.
Bro,
That's why I got
yeah.
it. It's the whine.
Hey, I'm just happy for my bros, you know. I'm just happy for my bros, man. Like, oh, it's just for you.
I love it.
No, it does, yeah.
These corners here are
Oh,
mad.
bro, you're in grips. Like, if you stay on throttle, you won't spin out. You won't spin out, bro. You won't spin out, I promise you. You won't, because your thing's quattro, yeah. If you let off, then you'll get understeer.
Yeah.
But yeah, you need better
brakes.
bro.
Yeah,
Honestly,
that's the next
I'm
mod.
gonna take this bit again.
Brakes.
But it's so like, bro, you know what? One thing I wish that your sport mode did, yeah,
What?
is whoa, burning brakes, fam. You saw that?
Is that my brakes?
Yeah, fam.
Are you sure?
Yeah. That's yours, G.
Nah, that's not my brakes.
I
man.
swear to God, bro, that's yours. Wallahi, that's yours, fam.
Fam, is that a good sign?
Nah. That means that, like, obviously they're working, but they're a bit hot right now.
Yeah.
Honestly, after like looking at this car, obviously because we go out all the time together,
Yeah.
just like driving it is a different feeling, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna appreciate your car way more, like
Really?
now that I'm seeing it driving,
Yeah.
innit? Like,
I appreciate it, man.
bro, it's sick.
Like, it makes me happy when
Yeah.
someone else can appreciate what I've been appreciating. Do you know what I mean? So,
Bro, it's just, you know what? The one thing I wish that your sport mode did is make the steering a bit heavier.
oh yeah. Oh, I can do that.
Oh, can you?
What I've done is because I've set my sport mode
Yeah.
on the stick. So,
See, grips, bro, you're fine.
yeah.
You know,
yeah.
you know what we need to do, fam? We need to whack your traction off, fam.
Oh no, man. this guy's trying to get me killed already. We can do one pull now with it.
Yeah,
without
turn it off,
just
bro.
so you know how it feels.
Flick off, bro. That's traction off, yeah?
Yeah. ESC off. Stabilizer control off.
Yeah, it's fine. You're good, bro. It's fine. You don't need it on there. You don't need it on there.
What do you mean I don't need it on?
You don't need traction control.
I need traction control on.
No.
Every day.
Bro, I promise. Oh yeah,
Every day.
normal driving. Yeah, normal driving, bro. But like this, nah, man. It's good. Trust me, because I think with Audis, you can never fully turn the traction control off.
Yeah, obviously,
Like,
'cause it's four-wheel drive.
No,
so.
but even when you turn it, even when you like hold it and turn it off like completely. You can
Oh yeah, it never goes off
yeah,
fully.
it never fully goes off
Yeah.
fully. So like it'll always kind of stop you from killing yourself. Obviously.
Yeah, because I've noticed that when people do launches, they can't fully turn it off.
Yeah, you can't, bro.
You can still do a launch, but
because it'll fail a launch. It'll fail it basically.
But I don't like doing launches on my car because I don't want to mess up my gearbox. But
yeah, man.
Just go off on the pedal, innit, and supercharger should take you.
Yeah, so it grips. You're fine. Your car's so much louder on the outside, but you got the acoustic windows. That's why
double glazed windows.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah, your thing is mad thing.
Shout out Doug MRC.
Yeah, he done bits still.
Shout out Doug MRC. Shout out Carduccio for getting my car looking nice.
Yeah.
Shout out JC Customs for doing my exhaust.
Jeez, that's getting everybody.
Bro.
Everybody, fam. Everybody.
100%.
But yeah, man, I'd love for letting me drive the beast again.
Yeah, man.
The daily, the blender, everything in one.
Bro.
To get paddles. See, just for yourself, innit? Just for yourself,
Bricks.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Well, yeah, thanks for coming on the channel again, bro. You got any?
My pleasure.
Yeah, you got your links in it.
Shout out Sportback Boys.
Yeah, shout out Sportback Boys.
Thank
Obviously,
you.
You're the owner, right?
Yeah, me and another guy.
Yeah.
Quattros.
Quattro gang. Quattro K.
Yeah, but yeah. So shout out Sportback Boys. We're just trying to be like, we're just trying to show our Sportbacks out. Do you know what I mean? And join the community together. Our Sportbacks. So yeah, everyone can see what each other's mods are, what we've done, and we can all communicate with each other. Because I feel like the Sportback community is not great at the moment. So
yeah. Cool, man. And then obviously you got your main Instagram as well, J
Whipping. Yeah, if you like whipping, follow me.
Cool. Yeah, that's all, guys. Again, yeah, thanks, bro, for letting me drive it.
Bro, my pleasure, man.
And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Can't walk past me, ayy, right up your alley. Wait, I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy, watch me isolate. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic.